So I went to Target to buy a cutting board and a knife, and they had this. I went to the store and all I got was this. Well, I didn't just get this cereal box. I also got a knife and a cutting board. But point is, they had like 50 of these cereal boxes sitting there. Do these still go for money? I mean, I don't think they go for money. But do these still go for money? Wow. Okay, whatever I did to my boosted board last week, it's still making that noise. I tried fixing it with a very helpful tutorial on YouTube. That has not worked in the slightest, so I'm gonna need to take this to someone that actually knows what they're doing. On the bright side, I was very safe while riding my broken boosted board. Hey man, what's up? I used the video tutorial you sent me and it didn't work. Can I come by your office for you to help me fix it? That should do it. Weather was beautiful an hour ago and now it's raining, might even be hailing. It's incredibly windy and I swear the temperature dropped like 10 degrees. I mean, it was beautiful an hour ago. What just happened? 1 second. We are coincidentally right by round 2, so while we're in the area, oh my goodness, it is pouring rain. While we're in the area, we're gonna go to round 2. So you guys remember these? These came out later last year and lots of people thought they were gonna be the Black Cat Jordan 5s, and then they were these. They're the pony hair Jordan 5s, which are still really, really cool. But apparently the Black Cats are actually releasing this year, and if that happens, I don't remember what the release date is. I think they're supposed to be coming out next month at some point. If the real Black Cat Jordan 4s come out, I've been waiting for those since legitimately like 2013 to retro. I am 100% buying a minimum of 1 pair. Now these aren't the Black Cats, but these are still really cool. Okay, these are a size 14, and I saw that they're big, obviously a little bit too big, and I got so excited because this is a shoe this is a Dorenbecker shoe from 2012 or 2013. I can't remember what year they released, except the kid that designed them had some sort of heart defect, which is why there's a heart and it says thump thump. Really loud, really bright, but this is a shoe I really wanted in 2012, 2013 when I was in high school. If this was a size 12, it's only $225, which is a pretty decent price. If you guys have a size 12, let me know. I'm sensing a trend on this shelf. I can't quite put my finger on what it is. Oh, yeah, literally every single pair of shoes on this shelf is the big chunky off-whites with the cleats on the bottom. I mean, for a pair of off-whites, I mean, this is my size. I could buy these and these would fit. It's a size 13 women's. I ideally want a 13 and a half, but these would fit, I think. Oh my goodness. So I saw these Royals and I thought they might be a size 12. Once again, not a size 12, size 13. Everything I want in this store is like 1 or 2 sizes too big. Size 13, and they're only $160 for like very lightly used Royals. I don't understand what's happening. It was windy and rainy, then I walked into the store, started snowing when I was in the store, and now there's no clouds in the sky and it's sunny. I mean, I'm not complaining, But what in the world? In other news, it's gonna take me a long time to get over the fact that those Royal ones for $160 were a size 13 and not a size 12. I mean, that is like the greatest sneaker price I have ever seen, and at a downtown Manhattan consignment store. Nonetheless, one size too big. Can I just get one lunch with jalapeno and yeah, and one just regular cheese. I don't think it's an exaggeration to say that I'm averaging like 2.5 slices of pizza a day since I've been here. It's bad.
Hey, I was waking up and it was taking forever upstairs. So you need to sign in? No, sign in.
So this is my friend who is an expert about all things electric skateboards.
What's up, guys?
And he's gonna tell me whether this is a simple repair or a less than simple repair that's gonna take a new part and weeks to fix.
Hopefully it's not.
Fingers crossed it's a simple repair. So is this
because if there was a clicking sound on the motors, then that's automatically you gotta send it to boosted. You gotta send your entire board to boosted, and boosted will send you a motor.
It just sounded like one of the motors was working way harder than the other one.
Cause the clicking sound means that one of the magnets is loose inside.
Same amount. Basically what happened though, like I was going up one of the paths to get from the West Side Highway back into the city.
Yeah.
And there's like this like cobblestone, regular concrete, and like a ridge in between.
Oh, I know exactly where you're. Were you riding by a board and the board?
And the wheels are bigger too.
Yeah. Well, actually, the wheels are actually the same size. Oh, so it makes sure that the threads lock in securely to the motors.
It's just a seal.
Yeah, just to make sure that the wheels haven't been removed. Thing is, sometimes the belts they go ahead and they like when your heart skips a beat, pretty much it's just like that. So like there's teeth on. Oh,
we could be missing belt teeth.
No. So what happens is there's a gear here and this connects to the gear right here, right?
Yes.
Validate you and they're like, hey, we'll try to fix it, or like we'll try to send you out something like if something's wrong with your motor, they'll be like, hey, yeah, we can send you out a free replacement. All right, now try braking. It could be a belt problem.
Yeah.
It can definitely be a belt problem.
Okay, let's try new belts.
Hopefully it's new belts.
I think we fixed it. Maybe. That sounds good to me.
That sounds good. You should test it yourself.
Let's try this out. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Being completely honest, I didn't buy this because it says, I mean, okay, I did buy it because it says Travis Scott, because I was like, oh, I can put it in a video. I don't know if people like actually enjoy eating this. I'm a very boring cereal guy. I mean, I eat plain Cheerios, I eat Crispix. How do people eat this cereal? It's like just sugar. It turns the milk sugary, turns you sugary. How do people eat I mean, it smells amazing, and I eat a lot of sugar. I mean, like, I eat candy and stuff all the time. I don't know how people eat sugary cereal. Like, how do you do it? Travis Scott Reese's Puffs, I realize they're exactly the same as regular Reese's Puffs, but these get a colossal thumbs down from me. And to think people were paying like $30 for a box of these at one time.